Hi, this is Electronics. In this video I'm going to unbox this USB digital microscope bought from Aliexpress. But before the video starts, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when new video is uploaded on this channel. First I will show all the sides of the box. If you want to read the text, just pause the video. It's time to open the box and see what's inside. The first thing you'll find in the box is the support part on which the microscope camera is fixed. Here is the most important part of the instrument, the microscope camera itself with the USB cable. It has a transparent protection cap which has to be removed before use. Also, the LEDs can be seen inside. On the wire there is a potentiometer with which the brightness of the LEDs can be adjusted. On the front side of the microscope camera a silver wheel can be found which adjusts the focus point of the camera. For me, the first time it was stuck and I thought it is only for decorational purpose, but after a few tries it got loose and now it works perfectly. Let's move on with the unboxing. This is the pillar part on which the camera support is installed. It has straight G-rack on which the support moves up and down. Some plastic pads and tightening screws are also included in the package, but the device can be used and works fine also without these. This is the calibration ruler. I haven't used this neither. If you want to use it, I recommend putting a white sheet of paper underneath it, otherwise it is hard to see because the base is also black, just like the writings and marks on the ruler. This is the CD with the necessary drivers. If you don't have a CD drive, just write me a PM and I will send you the drivers. Last but not least, the base of the device where the object must be placed when using the microscope. This is also made from black plastic just as the rest of the parts. Now I will put the device together. The first thing to assemble is the camera support part, which goes a little bit tight on the pillar. You might need to force on it. As you can see with the two wheels, the height can be adjusted. Next, the pillar is fixed to the base, so now the microscope can be fixed in the support. The last thing is to connect it to a PC and to take off the cover of the camera. As you connect it to a PC, the LEDs turn on. So I will show you how the brightness potentiometer changes the brightness of the LEDs. Note, my phone tries to compensate the low brightness. Here are some test footages. The recorded video has a resolution of 640 by 480. They are not compressed, so a 1 minute video can take up about 1 GB. The quality of the video is acceptable, and if the focus is set right, even small details can be seen well. The pictures have 1600 by 1200 resolution, so both videos and pictures have 4:3 aspect ratio. These test images were made by using the snap button. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you want to see more videos like this.